Welcome back, guys, to Red Hawk, and I wanted to show you solving this Rubik's Cube, or me solving it. So, let's get into it. I have a timer right here. You just put your hands on it, let it go, and I'll solve. So, let's get into the video. Welcome back, guys, to Red Hawk, and I just did a practice round for this, but here we go. And I did actually look at the cube and memorize some of the colors and stuff before we went, because that helps to solve it. 22. I'm gonna try to do it in less than 30. Oh, got it. Okay, guys. I just did it. So, guys, just remember to click that like button. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So I appreciate it. And I'll show you my time now. The time is 25.816. So, guys, just remember to click that like button. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So I appreciate it. Goodbye.